In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay hidden on LinkedIn during your job search. Whether you're just curious about what's out there or actively seeking a new opportunity, maintaining your privacy is key. LinkedIn offers features that allow you to control the visibility of your profile and your interactions while exploring new job prospects. Let's go through these steps together so you can proceed with confidence and discretion. First things first, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com. Once there, go ahead and sign in. You can use Google or Microsoft to do this, or simply use your email address and password. It's important to ensure that you log in securely, especially if you're handling sensitive information. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your account. This involves entering a code sent to your phone number, an extra step to keep your account secure. Once you've logged in, head over to your profile by clicking the Me icon located at the top of the page. From there, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the crucial settings that enable you to control who sees what on your LinkedIn. Now, when you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll notice a list on the left side of the screen. Click on Visibility. This section allows you to manage what information is shared and who can view your activities. One of the key steps is to edit your public profile visibility. To do this, click on Edit your public profile. Here you have the option to set your profile's public visibility to off. Doing this ensures that only people you have shared your profile with can view it, adding a significant layer of privacy. Next up, let's switch your profile to private mode for a more stealthy browsing experience. Head back to the Settings and Privacy section and again select Visibility, then find and select Profile Viewing Options. Here there are several modes you can choose from, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Private Mode. It's worth noting that when you browse in private mode, people can tell that someone viewed their profile, but they won't be able to identify who you are. This can be particularly useful if you want to discreetly look at potential employers or recruiters without leaving a trace. By following these steps, you're taking control of your privacy on LinkedIn during your job search. Remember, these settings can be updated whenever you wish to change your privacy level. Staying informed and proactive with your LinkedIn settings can certainly give you peace of mind as you navigate your way to new career opportunities. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your job search.